How you doing? I wanted to show you something that might help you to grade some essays that are done on Google Docs a little bit quicker. It's using an add-on called Google Keep, K-E-E-P. In order to get that add-on, you go up to add-ons and you get add-ons, and you can get any add-on that you like. As you can see, I have a few here already: EasyBib, Kaizena, and Orange Slice. The one that I'm talking about now is called Keep, and that's over here. Once I've loaded it, I click turn it on, and I just take notes, and I add my notes over here. So what I did is I added all the comments that I would normally use when grading, so that if I'm reading this student's work, I can look at this sentence. Most people have emotional connections to a poem or stories when it has impacted their life or reminds them of something they've experienced. I can take this sentence, I can highlight it. Okay, I'm going to go over here and find the comment that I'd like to leave on it. I'm going to go to positive comments, and I'm going to say that this is a great introductory sentence. I have an O there because it's with organization. I copy it, go here, and I add this comment, and I move on. This is just a quick and easy way for me to add my comments. Now, something else I can use is called Kaizena. So I can go to add-ons. I can open Kaizena. I'll show you how this opens. It'll open on my right-hand side here. And not just these comments that I normally use, I can leave a voice message. So I can say, read this sentence here. The little girl in the room, the little girl in the poem, and I have a strong connection to something like this, and textual evidence is when the girl says, I don't want to know how to make no rolls. So this is kind of confusing, so I can highlight it and leave a voice message. Hey, how you doing? Do me a favor. I want you to reread this sentence, and I want you to figure out a better way to write it. It can get a little confusing. I click stop and post that for the student to go ahead and listen to what I have to say. So these are just two add-ons to help you while grading student essays. Thanks.